Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate the website that we have created for gym. If you have a gym and fitness center business, if you are into gym and fitness center business, we can develop your website similar to this demo. And based on your customized requirements, we can create all the pages, and also we can add a product portfolio page also based on your requirements. And we can design depends on the requirements that you need. So I will first demonstrate how this website look like and what are the features it has. And we have developed this for Iron Core Gym Company. So this is how the home page look like. So this is a home page, and underneath it gives some details about your gym, like what's your mission and the mission statements, and what are the services you offer to the customers. Likewise, we can mention, and underneath we provided the membership plans. Whatever the available membership types, we can highlight in here. In here there are like three membership types: basic membership, premium, and the elite membership, which has different features based on the membership type. So, and also in the website itself we have included the online sign up page as well. The customer can provide their details and they can complete the sign up. So it will redirect to your official email address, and you can get back to the customer based on the details you receive. So, and underneath uh, it shows the fitness programs that you offer, like the weight training programs, fat loss programs, bodybuilding programs, if you offer any CrossFit trainings, cardio fitness, yoga and flexibility, all you can include, all the main your services you can include under these training programs. So let's see. Yeah. So for the demo purpose, we just keep these programs, and also if you want to include any more information about each program, you can create a separate page which we can connect to here. They can get to know the service. As an example, if the customer wants to get more information about the cardio fitness, we can create a separate page for the cardio fitness, and we can include a link in here. So underneath, if you offer like personal trainers for the customers, depends on their requirements, you can include that section here, like to book a coach. And in here, like you can include like who are the main trainers, fitness training coach, which is available in your gym, the details and their profile, and how many years of experience they have to train individuals. And underneath, on the side of that, like we can include like a personal training session booking system as well in your website itself. So they can select a date, they can select the name of the course that they would like to book the session, and the type of service that they would like to get it from you, and they can book the training session. So it will avail once they book the session, you will get an email alert to your official email address about the booking reservation. So from there you can coordinate with the customer and do the necessary. And underneath, you can include like any class schedules if you have, like any performance or any martial arts class if you hold it in your gym, or any yoga sessions, endurance class, those kind of any special classes if you have, you can mention and highlight in the home page. And underneath, you can give some overview to what are the gym facilities you have, like how's your state of technology quality in your gym, how's the quality of your equipment, if you have any sauna, swimming pools, you can always highlight in here, because that's like a plus factors which you can get the customer attention. So underneath, you can include some testimonials, like if you have any specific customers, like a long-term loyal customers, you can always get their testimonial and include in the website. So especially the customer testimonials are highly impact for you to get new customers, because the customers would like to prefer what your already existing customers think about you and your facility, how's their satisfaction about your facilities. So you can always put some good reviews about your gym in the home page of the website, which will help you to get more customer attraction. And here we have included three customers. Nabisha, she mentioned that joining the Iron Core Fitness changed my life. The coaching kept me consistent and confident. Ryan says the trainer's style in my nutrition and every session felt purposeful from 1 week. So likewise, these kind of good reviews you can always mention in your website. So underneath you can include a gallery, so which you can include the photos of your training equipments and some demo videos about how do you do the training sessions. You can all include in the gallery section. So in here also we have included like the group sessions, cardio zone, coaching moments, premium equipment photos and all, to get an idea for the customers. And always feel free to promote your gym across your country, and also try to use all the social media channels like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to promote your gym, because that will be really helpful for you to get new customer attention. And also if you have a plan to get the get a help from a digital marketing company, you can always feel free to reach DPS team. We are happy to provide you a monthly digital marketing packages, including your selected social media channels. And we will make sure that high customer attraction will come to you based on our digital marketing campaigns. So underneath, you can include some feeds from the Instagram, like some testimonials of from your customers, any mentions from the Instagram for your gym. You can always mention under the Instagram feed. So underneath, if you offer any free trial, like a 1 day or 2 day trial for the customers to come to your gym and try out, you can always mention in the you can highlight and mention in your website. So that will always help you to network with the customers, and there's a high probability once they visit and try your gym for 1 or 2 days, there's a high likely they will turn the guest visitors will turn as a regular customers for your gym. So also we have included like a form to book a trial session, like a free trial workout session. So they can select what's the service they would like to use in your gym, and they can book the session. You can once you receive the email, you can confirm the trial workout session. So simply that's about it. And underneath you can include some contact details of your gym, including your address, contact number, email, location, and how's the operating hours. So it's always like based on our analysis, it's recommended that whenever you possible, please make sure to open your gym at least 7 days. Hours can be different, depends on your availability, but making sure that gym is available on every day will always give a chance for you to get new customers, because of different clients have different working schedules. So if your gym operating hours is suitable for despite different work schedules of the clients, that will give the impression that your gym is open to any customers who are with different backgrounds, different working backgrounds. So likewise you can develop the website like this. And also, if you have want to send a monthly newsletter or like a 2 months newsletter, always you can include ask the customer to include their email address here. So based on that, you can send your monthly newsletter. It's always recommended to send a monthly newsletter of your latest updates. That will help for you to get engaged with the loyal customers, to ensure the customer retention. And also for the potential customers, you can quickly attract through this newsletter, because email marketing is a very highly influential marketing technique to get customers, especially if you're planning to attract corporate customers, like the customers in like different corporate companies. That will be really handy. So this is how actually it looks like, the demo. And also we have integrated the WhatsApp as well. So if they want to directly contact you through WhatsApp, and they can click this button and contact via WhatsApp. And this website that we have developed is both website and the mobile friendly. So even for the mobile also, it supports best the same as it does for the if you try with the computer. So this is how the demo looks like. And if I elaborate the pricing, basically we can develop your website for $20. It's a one-time cost, and the monthly maintenance we can do it for free for up to 3 months time. And after 3 months time, we can do your monthly updates for the website for just $5, the monthly charge. So it will only cost you like $20 to develop a website like this for your gym website, for your gym. So please, so because of that, try to consider having a website to make sure that your business is visibly online, visibly available for the customers in the internet environment. Like for the most customers across the country, you can reach. Uh, you can get the attraction via online easily. So because of that, feel free to contact the DPS team if you plan to develop a similar website like this, and we can develop this kind of similar website for $20 one time cost. So simply that's about the main details that I want to share today. And thank you very much for engaging with this video. If you have any comments, any doubts, feel free to comment below in this video. And once again, thank you very much. Engage with DPS for many more valuable content like this. Happy learning to you all.